So this is the Colette closing door hinges. We're gonna open it up here and see what we got inside. Installation and operations instruction paper. Comes with 27 screws. Comes with a hex wrench. It comes with these 3 door hinges. So these door hinges are made of heavy duty stainless steel. These hinges work for indoor and outdoor applications. These can also be used for commercial use. So this is also a self-closing door hinge too. It's a spring hinge. Show you how to adjust the elastic force. So we first move the set screw here. Then use the Allen wrench here. So to reduce the elastic force, you put the Allen wrench in, you push down, and then you turn counterclockwise to reduce the elastic force. Or to increase the elastic force, you go clockwise. You have to put your set screw back in. So as you can see here, the self spring hinge. It's a spring hinge here for your door to be a self-closing door. It is very important that your set screw to be properly placed after you adjust the elastic force. Looks very good, made of it's very good quality. Looks great, should work great for you.